Also, I'm going to shoot everybody or kill everybody in Howler Jungle. Let's go. Oh yeah, also I just got a new logo for my YouTube channel, so tell me if you like it or not. It makes more sense about my channel. Okay, first person I see, we're gonna kill. I saw this guy. I'm watching it. Okay, this guy. You can't kill that person. Oh, I see that monkey up there. I was like, oh, over there. First, we're gonna listen to the song though. If you haven't heard it.
Chicken, Italian spicy bacon, chicken. Take one bite and it all starts clicking. Crown of my day. MBK, have it your way.
I know.
Chicken, take one bite.
Oh. I did not mean to do that. Oh man, I saw him. Little Timmy.
Wait for me, I got little legs.
No laughing. Pew. Not everybody. You're not gonna kill Gary, so I'll count that. Oh, sorry, little Timmy. Ha ha ha. He kind of dies when you give him chocolate. Aw, man. I like if you keep him there. He stays there and then he's like, get the house. I'm pretty sure that's everyone killed. And Howler Jungle. He kinda died. Kinda, not really. And check how many howls I have. K. Okay. So we got 4 or 5 howls. I've been working really hard, and that pay off. Hamburger. Let's check in here. Oh yeah, I'm trying to get this too. For YouTubers. I'm a YouTuber. So like, yeah, kind of like that. So yeah, and this is for like artists. So yeah, and this is like for the Discord. I didn't show in the last video, even though I said I was. No, there's tournaments in the Discord. Yeah. So yeah, I didn't show the deaths in the last video like I said I would, so that's why I did that. And I didn't show the winning wall like I said I would, like over there. It's over there. Like when I go over here, like I'm going right now, and there's the left. So yeah, this way is actually right. Yeah, so it's that way. I'm actually getting it right. Yeah, this way, it is that. It's that way. So yeah. If I want to find it, it's that way. Not that way. Not that way. That way. So yeah. Bye guys.